What if I told you that 99% of cricket fans don't know the secrets behind the Indian Premier League's most successful players? The IPL has been a breeding ground for talented cricketers, with several great leaders emerging in its history. But here's what nobody talks about: the surprising facts that set these players apart from the rest. And that's not even the craziest part. The IPL has a way of producing unexpected heroes, and this season is no exception. As the world of cricket eagerly awaits IPL 2026, the question of who is the most successful captain in IPL history continues to intrigue fans. But wait, it gets even better. MS Dhoni, the legendary Indian cricketer, is widely regarded as one of the most successful captains in IPL history, with a winning percentage of over 60%. His calm and composed demeanor on the field has earned him the respect of his peers and the adoration of his fans. Now here's where things get really wild. Virat Kohli, the Indian cricket team captain, is a force to be reckoned with in the world of cricket, with over 6,000 runs in the IPL, making him one of the highest-scoring players in the league's history. His incredible work ethic and dedication to the sport have made him a role model for aspiring cricketers around the world. And this one blew my mind. Jasprit Bumrah, the Indian fast bowler, has taken the cricket world by storm with his incredible bowling skills, with over 100 wickets in the IPL, establishing himself as one of the most feared bowlers in the league. Hold on, because this changes everything. Andre Russell, the West Indian all-rounder, is a player who can change the course of a game with his incredible batting and bowling skills, with over 1,500 runs and 50 wickets in the IPL, making him one of the most valuable players in the league. But here's the thing nobody expected. Ruturaj Gaikwad, the Indian batsman, has been making waves in the cricket world with his incredible performances in the IPL, with over 1,000 runs in the league, establishing himself as one of the most promising young players in the sport. And then, everything changed. As we looked deeper into the world of IPL cricket, we realized that these surprising facts are just the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more to explore. The question of who is the most successful captain in IPL history is just one piece of the puzzle, and the answer is more complex than we thought. If this blew your mind, smash that subscribe button. We drop new facts videos every single day, and check out our blog at factstormhub.com for the full deep dive into the fascinating world of cricket secrets and surprising IPL facts.